Business owners, in a world of constant marketing chatter, is your message cutting through or just adding to the noise? Ask yourself, do you truly understand what your customers care about, or are you just guessing? Is your marketing speaking to your customers' needs, or just shouting about your products? When was the last time you measured the actual impact of your marketing message? Consider this. Are your customers actively engaging with your content or just scrolling past? Does your brand have a clear, consistent voice across all channels? Can your target audience articulate what makes your brand unique? Think about it. Is your marketing creating conversations or just broadcasting information? Are you telling a compelling story or just listing features and benefits? Does your message resonate emotionally or is it purely transactional? Here's the reality. In today's crowded marketplace, being heard isn't enough. You need to be understood and remembered. So, is your marketing truly connecting with your audience, or is it just ticking boxes? Remember, effective marketing isn't about how loud you shout, but how deeply you resonate.